and another mammal. They are very well known. The only great ape in Asia, and they live in the rainforest of Indonesia. And now, please welcome. Who knows the name of this animal? Ada yang tahu namanya? Yes, you're right, orangutan. In bahasa or Malay, orang means man and utan means forest. So orangutan means man of the forest or the forest man. And now let me give you a closer look of this beautiful orangutan. Okay, his name is George. Okay, sorry, his name is Bruno, and Bruno is around 3 years old from Borneo Island of Indonesia. Ini namanya Bruno ya, kurang lebih usianya 3 tahun. Hello Bruno. Okay everyone, we look alike, don't you think? Mirip ya? The reason of this because we share about 96% of our DNA with them. And now let's have a look Bruno's hand. Show me your hands, Bruno. Very good. Orangutan, they have 4 long fingers with 1 opposable thumb. And just like us, none of them have the same fingerprint. How about your foot, Bruno? Good boy. Orangutan also have 4 long toes with 1 opposable toe. Good job, Bruno. Okay, that was a nice clap hand. Okay, can go back again to your seat, Bruno. And we still have another Bornean orangutan. And this is Bruno's brother. Can you see another orangutan around here? Where is it? Look at that, we have George. And he's also around 3 years old. And although the orangutan can walk upright for a short distance, but in the wild they will travel by brachiating, which means they use their strong arm and leg to swing from tree to another tree. Because the orangutan arm span can reach up to 2 meters long. And they are true arboreal apes. They will spend most of their time up in high tree canopy. Ya, jadi meskipun orangutan itu hampir bisa berjalan tegak seperti manusia ya, namun kalau di alam liar mereka memang lebih suka bergelantungan dari satu pohon ke pohon lainnya. Itu dikarenakan panjang lengan orangutan bisa mencapai 2 meter. Mereka adalah kera arboreal yang akan lebih banyak menghabiskan waktunya di atas pohon. Okay, look at this everyone. Very easy for George to climb up the coconut tree because orangutan they have a very strong arm and strong leg. Okay, be careful George. Okay, you got a coconut? Ya, jadi karena lengan dan kakinya kuat dan panjang ya, makanya mudah untuk orangutan memanjat pohon kelapa seperti tadi. Alright, what are you gonna do with the coconut? Oh, not only have strong arm and leg, look, orangutan also have a very strong teeth. And now, George is showing us just how strong his teeth really are by peeling off the coconut. Could you please give support for George, everyone? Okay, can we, George? Just like us, orangutan also have same dental arrangement. They have 32 permanent teeth, but much stronger. Jadi sama seperti manusia, orangutan juga memiliki 32 susunan gigi permanen tapi jauh lebih kuat. Look, when they find something hard, they will try to knock or smash the object onto the ground like this. Yeah, to open up the food. Okay, you have to try harder, George. Okay, and try to peeling off one more time. Okay, that's great, George. And try to knock one more time. Yes! Look everyone! And he got the coconut juice! Good job, George! Okay, they're very smart creatures because the intelligence of the orangutan equal to 5 years old. Bruno, what are you doing? Look, Bruno's coming back again. What is that, Bruno? Oh, look everyone! Bruno's picking up the rabbits! Good job, Bruno! See? Even the orangutan is really care about the environment. We should do the same thing, right? Because we share this planet with all the living things. like animals and plants. So, remember that big differences start from very simple action, just like that. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the road of our wonderful animals. And now we would like to invite our animals along with the keeper to come back onto the stage for farewell. Here we have Bruno and George, our beautiful baby orangutan. The magnificent white hornbills, the gorgeous binturong, and lastly, our beautiful python onto the stage. One message from us: please always love and care about the animals everywhere. Because if you don't, they will disappear. And once extinct, they will be gone forever. And everyone, after this, don't forget to watch. We have Tiger Show at Harimau Amphitheater at 11:15. Jadi selain jangan lupa saksikan kita ada Tiger Show di Harimau Amphitheater pukul 11.15. And before you go, please give thanks to our keeper for the wonderful care of the animal show family. Thank you so much for visiting us. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye bye. Thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to invite 10 participants to come up onto the stage and take a picture with some of our animals here. So please raise your hand. Okay, I need only 10 participants. Okay, yes, you lady in green. 2, 3. Yes, you lady in orange. Yes, you kids with your glasses. Ya, silakan bapaknya. Okay, everyone who already I choose, you can come to the stage from back side. Thank you. Okay, everyone, only 10 participants. I will choose 5 more participants, please. Yes, you ma'am in white. Ya, bapaknya pakai kaca. Ya, yes you sir in white. Ya, bapaknya pakai topi. One more. Yes, you kids in black with hat. Yes. Okay, everyone, if you don't have any chance to take a picture here, don't worry. After this, you can take a picture with our bird over there. You also can hold it. That's free. We will start at 12 o'clock. And also at the Ranthambore Temple, we have another animal pictures. Thank you very much, everyone.